Hello, this is Mayor Dan Reiman with a health advisory and public service announcement from the Borough of Carteret.
Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. As of this morning, over 75,000 New Jersey residents have now tested positive for the coronavirus, including over 7,000 here in Middlesex County and just over 300 here in the Borough of Carteret. Sadly, over 3,500 New Jerseyans have passed away statewide due to complications from COVID-19, including 5 residents of Carteret. State health officials report that over 60% of those we've lost to COVID-19 had a pre-existing cardiovascular condition, and 37% had diabetes. Please, if you have a friend or family member who has a pre-existing health condition, avoid physical contact with them. While most had other serious health issues, this is not a virus that only affects older residents. It has attacked people regardless of race, of age, regardless of location or overall health, or even socioeconomic status. We were all at risk, and we all need to take this serious. Take all precautions to socially distance yourself, at least 6 feet from others, including family members. Remember to wash your hands frequently, to wear a face mask, cloth, fabric, a bandana or scarf to cover your mouth and nose when in public, especially when entering an essential retail food store. It's not just a recommendation, it's an executive order enforceable by law. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control released a short video on how to make a face covering from common materials found at your home. You can find the video online or at Carteret.net. The Middlesex County drive-through testing facility is open on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The site features exclusive first-in-the-state saliva tests, which provide results in 1 to 2 days. If you're exhibiting any symptoms of COVID-19 at all, please make an appointment to get tested. Go to middlesexcountynj.gov. or call your primary care physician. As always, if you have any questions or complaints about how a business is handling the quarantine, call the state hotline at 211 or visit covid19.nj.gov. You can also email us at info@carteret.net so we can share your concerns with the appropriate county and state departments and officials. Recent numbers suggest that we may have reached the peak of this pandemic, and the new caseload in our area has slowed dramatically. Yesterday, there were 5 confirmed positive tests locally, a significant reduction from the weekend and the prior week. But we aren't out of the woods just yet. Social distancing and other safety measures are slowing the spread, but we must maintain many of these safety precautions for the immediate future. While no one can predict where we'll be in a month's time, or even several months from now, we have to expect long-term social distancing while preparing to restart the economy and our daily work routines. Though no date has been set as of yet, Governor Murphy has formed a working group of governors in the Northeast to begin planning that process and easing us into the new daily norm. Because of the planning required, the cost and the need to social distance, our May Memorial Day Parade, our July Independence Day celebration at the waterfront, and our Summer Latin Festival at the waterfront have all been canceled for this year. Other events during the summer and later in the year will be evaluated as time requires and as circumstances change. Remember to visit Carteret.net or any of our social media sites under the handle MyCarteret at Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram for county, state, and federal links about the coronavirus, and for information about unemployment benefits, small business grants and loans, and other updates. Remember, social distancing doesn't mean complete isolation. Take advantage of today's technology to call, text, FaceTime, Zoom, or group chat with family members, friends, and neighbors. This has been Mayor Dan Reiman with an important public health advisory from the Borough of Carteret. Stay safe, my friends.